Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Saturday. Well, I thought since it's still the month of February and it's still the month where you get Valentine things, so I am going to share with you some of the things that I got from my friend Diane for Valentine's Day. So let me open this bag here. Get rid of this. I already had it open. Of course, I know what it is. But first, before we get into that, I wanted to show you some of the little bits and bobs that she gave me. So, I got this little metal thing to hold your needles in. And it's magnetic, so they won't fly around. But yeah, I just thought that was so cute. And they made up a bunch, her and her husband made up a bunch of the beeswax things, and this was one of them. So she gave me an extra thing of beeswax, and you know that I can always use beeswax because I'm always working on the silk patterns, and I just love using the beeswax in adverse to the things that you can buy at other stores. And I got this adorable little needle minder, which we're going to use today. You see if I can get it even out of that bag. My goodness, I don't know how they ever got that in there. Holy cow. Well, we're trying. We are trying. There we go. Isn't that cute? The name of the company is Flamingo Toes. But yeah, so I'm going to be using that today. It's nice and thick, and let's see if I can get it off of there. Very well made. Very well made. So, love it. Oh my gosh, and it is really strong. Let me just set that over there so it doesn't get lost. I'm going to put the wax into that baggie. Then, even if it dries up, it still works perfectly fine. So, yeah. And she made this cute little pincushion for me. Has this lovely red back on it. And I believe that she said this was a blackbird design. She just changed the colors here and there. But yeah, so that'll sit on my desk and we'll be using that as well. So let's get into the cross stitch. Let me get it out of its crinkly bag. Holy cow. Put that down there. And I will show you the picture. Is that not gorgeous? Oh my goodness. Look at all the different colors. So we are going to start this afternoon for my February Saturday stitching. And the theme for this month is red. So we'll be starting somewhere on this with red. And it's 150 by 61. Isn't that gorgeous? I believe it's a Mona Lisa. And, oh, there's the big. We also have instructions on how to start, how to finish. But it does come with a nice big sticker. Is that not beautiful? I think it's a sticker. I've never used them as a sticker. I just use them. Keep them, you know, with the kit. Let me see where, oh, here we go. It's like, where are the numbers? So this is straight cross stitch. It has 48 colors. We have 310 black. We have 321, which is Christmas red. 498, which is a brick red. 606, I believe that's kind of an orangish red. We have 823. No 939. No 3371. And we're using 3865 for the white. So it's going to be probably 321 or 498 that we use today. Yeah. Oh, but it is a very nice, well-made pattern. You know how Mona Lisa is. Very nice. And it just opens up. But lots and lots of gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Yeah, I am anxious to start this. Let's take a look at the threads. We have a bag of threads. Hang on, I'm trying to get it. It's all mooshed together. Does come with a toolkit with, there's 3 needles here. There's probably 2 more in the canvas someplace. A thimble, poof ball, and a needle threader. Just going to set that aside for right now. But it has nice, big, huge, this is full coverage, I believe, yeah. Bag of extra threads. Look at that hank. There must be 40 strands of 310 black there. But lovely greens and browns. There's one of those is 3865. I'm not sure about that one in particular. It's kind of an off-white. But just look at these stunning, stunning colors. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Teals, browns, kind of a rustish brown, kind of a pinkish purple. There's your 3865. I haven't run into that other color. Maybe that's it right there, that 13, that extra hank. Beautiful pinks, oranges, greens, blues. Oh, can you ever? Just absolutely stunning. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let me shake it out and pull it back. Is that not stunning? Just stunning, stunning colors. Now I won't be able to measure this because it's too big. So we're just going to look at it. I've got a little piece of green thread there. I'm not sure where that came from. And it is serged all the way around. And it's upside down. Of course it is. Holy cow. You ever seen me open one of these huge ones and it be the right way? Yeah. Just absolutely stunning. Very well made, very well printed. And it looks very detailed. I have no idea where I'm going to... Well, today I'm going to start where there's a red. We know that part. Nice big key. It has 2 salvage ends. Just absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I have to look really close to see. Oh, and there's my other 2 needles. Might as well break in the pin cushion and put those right there because we can use those when we stitch. Oh no. Oh, there it is. I was like, oh my god, it went up my sleeve. So there we go. Very nice. But nice, big, easy to see pattern. Just absolutely stunning. You cannot go wrong by starting any color. And it doesn't, what I love about this is that it does not have huge areas where it's kind of nondescript. This has all kinds of details in it. It's just tremendous. But I did want to, you know, show this to you. You can actually see things. Hang on, let me pull this way a bit. Everything's falling over here. We have pagodas. We have, I call them houses, but actual pagodas as well, and water. It has everything in it, and it's just absolutely the living end. Nice big key. Don't have to worry about anything, and it's not real heavy at all. I mean, not like some of them are really the thick canvas. This is not that. And see how it says, hang on. Ah! I needed a drink. I got fans running. Oh, I found my yellow orange scissors. Hold, please. Put that where I can find them. I had no idea where I laid them. That one I opened the other day from AliExpress. They had that same thing going on at the top, so I don't think they're both Mona Lisas. You know, I could be totally wrong, but they do have that same marquee, and I have no idea what it says down here in Chinese. I don't have Google Translate. So yeah, we will be starting this afternoon, 1 o'clock Mountain Standard Time, USA. So join me there and get out your red things. Doesn't matter if it's cross stitch, whatever craft you are working on, and I will join you then. All right. Thanks for joining me today for this quick little unbagging, not unbagging, and we will see you at 1. Bye-bye.